Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. First of all, before starting today's class, today's video of this lesson, I would like to wish you all happy Ramadan Mubarak to you and your family members. Today, in this lesson, in this video, I'm going to explain you about chapter number 1, computer language, and here is a part 2. I hope you already watched part 1 of this lesson. Now let's move. First of all, before going on a next topic, I would like to say to all of you that today I'm going to explain you interpreter, compiler, and the fourth generation language, and give you some fact files also. Okay, you already learned machine language, assembly language, and high level language through the part 1 video. Okay, as I already explained you that there are 4 computer languages: machine language, assembly language, and high level language, and fourth one is fourth generation language. Okay, out of these 4 languages, computer understand only and only machine language. So what we have to do with other languages? Why we are going to learn the other computer languages? However, the computer is understanding only and only machine language. So what we will do, we can write the program, we can give instruction to computer in other languages also, but in the end we must have to translate that language into machine language. That program we have to translate into machine language. जैसे कि assembly language. For assembly language, translator programs known as assemblers were developed to convert the assembly language program into machine language. वैसे ही a high level language program also we need to very easy to understand, very easy to write down, user friendly and all things. But in the end, computer understand only and only machine language. So in the end we must have to translate or convert high level language program into machine language. So there are 2 translator programs are used to convert or translate high level language program into machine language. First one is interpreter. You all can see here the first translator program for translating program. Okay, so here it is. First one, this translator program is used to convert a high level language program into machine language. First one is interpreter. Okay, this is a translator program which is used to convert high level language program into machine language. Clear? And interpreter translate program line by line. Means what? You can see here so many lines are there. वैसे ही in program there are different lines. So this interpreter translate program line by line. Means first line first is translate, then is there any error, then it gives to user. User first solve it, then it's translate the second line, right? If any error, immediately it's solved, then only go to third line, just this way. So it translates the program line by line. Okay, execute the instruction means it first translate the program. जैसा अभी मैंने explain किया वैसे ही first translate the program line by line. Execute the instruction means what? If there is any error, then it gives to you. Then repeat the procedure for the remaining instruction. Means like it is going on second line. Same thing again, repetition done, execution, and then repeat the procedure just way going on third line and so on. This way interpreter translate high level language program into machine language. If any errors are found, they are to be immediately removed. मतलब first line में अगर error मिलती है, so whoever the programmer he or she must have to remove the error. Okay, immediately remove the error. The converted form is not stored anywhere. अब जो machine language में convert होता है, तो it means that it is converted form. So it will not store anywhere. So therefore it has to be generated at the time of execution of program. So that's why it only generated at the time of execution of program. Means जब हम program को run करेंगे, at that time it will execute. Clear? Interpreter program are preferred for beginners and are slow in execution speed. Why? Because it is going line by line. First line, then second line, then third line, fourth line and fifth line. If there are so many lines, so it's take a long time, too much time for translating one program into machine language program. So that's why interpreter programs are preferred for beginners. Kyun? Because if beginners means who just start writing program into high level language, and they don't know rules and regulation that which line they get error, so this is preferred by the beginners only. If it is going line by line, so first line interpret, it means programmer know that in this line only error is there, so immediately programmer solve that error. So that's why this is preferred by the beginners only, and are slow in execution, obviously because it is going line by line, so this is very slow. Now here is one example giving to you. Interpreter is just like a translator. Like suppose the French president is visiting India on an official tour. Okay, एक French president है जो इंडिया की टूर पे विजिट कर रहा है. In order to understand each other, means Indian president and French president, right? Indian prime minister and French president, both ones don't know each other's language. Like the French president don't know English and Indian prime minister don't know French. So in order to understand each other, दोनों की बातें समझने के लिए both the French president and the Indian prime minister would require an interpreter. क्या चाहिए उनको? एक इंटरप्रेटर चाहिए who translate the French language into the English language and English language into French language. Clear everyone? So this is the example of interpreter, how it's work. Clear? Now let's move on a second types of translator. So second type of translator is compiler. Compiler is also used to translate high level language program into machine language. Okay, so compiler is a translator program used to convert high level language program into machine language, but it is not work like a interpreter. A compiler translate the whole program at once. कंपाइलर क्या करेगा? पूरे प्रोग्राम को एक साथ ट्रांसलेट कर देगा, एंड इन द एंड it generates the object code of program along with the list of error, and it generates translated program, means object program translated जो machine language में translate हुआ है, that one, it means it is called object program. Okay, and along with the list of errors, किसके साथ? list के साथ. किस चीज़ की? error की. Okay, so that's why the execution of compiler is very fast, because it's directly translate the whole program at once only and give you the list of all errors at once only. It means programmer have to solve all errors at once. Okay, so that's why both the translator program are opposite with each other. Clear? Now let's move on next thing. So two types of translator program for high level language conversion. Okay, first interpreter and second one is compiler. Okay, now here is the fourth computer language. Okay, fourth computer language is known as fourth generation language or 4GL. Now fourth generation language are closer to human language than any other high level language. Why fourth generation language are closer to human language, right, and any other high level language? Because in the fourth generation language, it is a combination of languages with the following features. Which features are there? First one, highly user friendly and independent of any operating system. You don't need any operating system for writing this fourth generation language. So that's why it is highly user friendly. Very high speed of execution. प्रोग्राम का एग्जीक्यूशन कैसे होगा? on a very high speed. डिज़ाइन टू रिड्यूस द लेवल ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग एफर्ट. हमें कुछ भी चीज़ बनानी है तो उसमें पर्सन ह्यूमन बीइंग का कुछ ज़्यादा ही एफर्ट लगता है, राइट. जस्ट लाइक दैट इफ प्रोग्राम इज रिटन बाय प्रोग्रामर, इट मीन्स दैट प्रोग्रामर हैव टू गिव एफर्ट for writing a program. But this fourth generation language designed to reduce the level of programming effort. Minimum effort from the user obtain any information, means user have to give minimum information for any information. Designed to reduce the overall time it takes to develop software. एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाने में समथिंग 1, 2 और 3 मंथ्स लग सकते हैं. बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फोर्थ जनरेशन लैंग्वेज प्रोग्राम, इट्स टेक लेस टाइम टू डेवलप अ सॉफ्टवेयर एंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट ऑल्सो वेरी less. Clear everyone? In 4GL, 4GL means fourth generation language, the user has to specify only the required output. आउटपुट में वेबसाइट में आपको क्या चाहिए वही यूज़र को डिस्क्राइब कर देना है. उसकी अकॉर्डिंग फोर्थ जनरेशन लैंग्वेज जो 4GL है ऑटोमेटिकली आपके लिए सॉफ्टवेयर बना के रेडी कर देगा. क्लियर? नाउ एंड द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द आउटपुट विदाउट बोदरिंग अबाउट द स्टेप्स रिक्वायर्ड टू obtain that, or no need to write down any steps or any output format, because we directly have to give information about the specific in only required output, not the output format, even not we have to give the steps for getting any software. So this is a fourth generation language which is very highly user friendly and independent of any other operating system. It works on a very high speed of execution, designed to reduce level of programming effort, minimum effort from the user to obtain any information, designed to reduce the overall time it takes to develop software and the cost of software development. In 4GL, the user has to specify only the required output and the format of the output without bothering about the steps required to obtain it. Here giving you one picture of fourth generation computer. Do you think it is just like our right now wherever we are using the computer, it is same as the this picture computer? Yes. So our nowadays which computer we are using is known as fourth generation computer. किसके कौन से कंप्यूटर्स के द्वारा पहचाने जाते हैं? फोर्थ जनरेशन कंप्यूटर विथ दिस वन nowadays today's computer. Okay, now I'm going to tell you all 4 languages I already explained you, but in the end again I'm telling you all that computer understand only and only machine language. मशीन लैंग्वेज में क्या यूज़ होता है? बाइनरी फॉर्म, मीन्स 0 and 1. Clear everyone? And that language only understood by computer. In other language you can write down that other 3 languages also computer language. You can write down programming that 3 languages also, but in the end you must have to translate that other language program into machine language, and for that different language has its own translator program. Just like assembly language, for translating assembly language into machine language, translator program is there. For high level language program we have to translate into machine language, so we have a 2 translator program. One is interpreter and second is compiler. Clear everyone? Now the fact files. The first interactive computer game was Space War. This answer question will become in your exercise also. You must have to know about it. That first interactive computer game जो first develop हुई थी, which one it is? Space War. Clear? Now the second fact file. Fortran was one of the earliest language and was designed for scientists and engineers. COBOL was designed for business user. Okay, Fortran was designed for scientists and engineers. Rather than COBOL was designed for business user. Okay, so Fortran used by scientists and engineers and COBOL used by business users. Remember this all both things, that both languages used by the different peoples. Fortran for scientists and engineers, COBOL for business user. Clear everyone? Now next file, fact file. In software development, beta release refers to a product or a technology which is still in development. Right now it is not developed. It is in a development but is released only for testing and evaluation purpose only. जो beta release software development के लिए use होती है, that one for product or a technology which is still in development and which is only used for testing and evaluating. Okay everyone, I hope you all understand this lesson clearly. Next time we will start next chapter, and till then stay happy, stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone, and bye everyone.